Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, hi, my name is Shanny. Hopefully you decide to subscribe, but in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this green glittery spotlight smoky eye. I really like how it came out, so if you guys are interested, let's just go ahead and get right into this video. Okay, so one of you guys requested me to do a green glittery smoky eye with this Makeup Revolution palette right here, and this is the mint chocolate eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using. So thank you for the request, because I think this is really going to be a cute makeup look. Like green glittery, it's gonna be bomb. So the first color I'm going to go in with is this color right here, and I'm using my Morphe M532 blending brush. So I'm going to start off by patting this color into the crease, and then I'm going to blend it out. And I'm also taking it to the inner corner as well, because I want this look to be rounded, and it's kind of going to be like a spotlight green glittery smoky eye. That's what I'm seeing in my head, so hopefully that's what happens. And I really love this palette because the pigmentation of these shadows are actually really good. So if you guys see this palette in Ulta and you're like second guessing it, girl, is legit. I'm gonna link that other video in the card, so you guys have another video to refer to when it comes to this palette, because I went off in that video, I must say. Alright, so the transition color is on. Now I'm taking this color right here, and this is gonna go through my crease, and I'm starting off by dabbing this color in my crease, and then I'm going to blend it out later on. Now I'm going to grab some tissue and clean off the brush a little bit to take some of that eyeshadow off, and then I'm going to go in and blend out the edge of the green eyeshadow. Alright, so the brush is somewhat clean. Now I'm going to go back in and blend out these edges. Now I'm taking the NYX pigment primer. I'm going to put this on the back of my hand. I'm going to take my Sigma E55 brush and pick up the pigment primer off of my hand. And I'm pressing the eyeshadow primer into the brush. And then I'm just going to apply it to this middle section of my eye. And I'm bringing it up above the crease just a little bit, because I want to be able to see the glitter when my eyes are opened. Now I'm taking this Colourpop brush, and I'm going to pick up this color right here and put this right over that eyeshadow base. Okay, so this color is a little too blue for my liking, so I'm mixing it with the other green color in this palette, which is more of an olive green. This is so pretty. I'm in love. Okay, so now I'm going back in with the Morphe M506 brush to blend out these edges. And I'm picking up some more of that matte green color to do so. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I didn't bring all of the smokiness to the inner tear duct. I like to keep that area free of deep colors because I don't want to close off my eyes, and it just looks a little weird on me, so I just stopped right here. I did bring the transition color all the way over because I didn't want that area to be blank, so yeah. Okay, so that's how my eyes are looking. Now I'm going to go in with liner, and I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution ink liner. Okay, for the glitter part, I don't have any green or olive green glitter, so I'm just going to use this bronze glitter from NYX, and I really love this glitter. This is such a beautiful glitter. So I'm putting some of the NYX glitter adhesive on the back of my hand, and I'm using the same Sigma E55 brush to apply this glitter adhesive. And I'm just tapping it right in the center of my mobile eyelid. So now I'm taking that same E7 brush that I used to put on my mobile eyelid color, and I'm going to pick up some of this glitter and just tap it onto my eye. And I don't want it to be in one specific area. I want it to look like it's scattered in a way. Pick up some more of the glitter on the brush and then tap it on. Now I'm going back into the palette and picking up this olive green color and just pressing it over the glitter that I just put down to make it more of an olive green color. Now I'm just going to apply some mascara, and I'm using the telescopic mascara from L'Oreal. Honestly, you could go without lashes, but y'all know I'm about to put some on, so yeah. If you guys were wondering, these are the lashes that I have on. Okay, so I'm not going to do my face makeup on camera. I'm actually doing the same exact base that I did in my last makeup tutorial, so I'll link that in the cards if you guys are interested in my base. So I'm going to go ahead and finish my face makeup off camera, and I will be right back to finish off my eyes. Okay, so my face makeup is done, and the highlighter that you guys see is Boomin' from the Shayla and Colourpop collection. It looks so good. I have it on my cheekbone, I have it on the tip of my nose, the bridge, and I have it on my brow bone. And then I took it up onto my temples, but this highlighter is life. Alright, so to finish off my bottom lash line, I'm taking the Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Liner in black, and I'm taking this Real Technique Arch Definer brush to my inner waterline. Now I'm going to take this Morphe M431 brush and smoke out my bottom lash line. I'm starting off by stamping this color where I want it to be, because this eyeshadow does have a little bit of fallout. So I'm stamping the color where I want it to be, and then I'll go in and blend it out. And then I'm also tapping off the excess eyeshadow off of the brush. Now I'm taking my Morphe M156 brush, and I'm using this side with some of the orange on it to blend out my bottom lash line. I'm also wrapping it around so it connects to everything that's going on my upper eyelid area. Now I'm going to add some mascara. Alright, now I'm going to take this yellow color, this green color, well, bluish green color, and then I'm going to take this olive green color right here, mix all three of those together, and use that as an inner corner highlight. This actually came out really cute. Alright, so for my lips, I'm taking Spice from MAC, and then I'm going to put Neat Freak over top. Spice is literally like the color of my bottom lip. Hose on. Hose away. Taking this Karuchi gloss, putting that over top. And then Neat Freak. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys liked it, and if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye. Okay, so the brush is somewhat, and you just want to take your time, and you just want to take your, ow, there's something in my eye. Ow, what the heck is in my eye? Hoops. Or no hoops. Hoops. Or no hoops. Hoops.